short one. Let's now export. All right, we have our full project. We faded out the audio. We have a credit. Okay, you have your things that are labeled. You've done some video transitions experiments. I want you to label your shots, symmetrical, asymmetrical, jump cuts, etc. Okay, we're gonna go to File, Export, Media. And what you'll notice here is that we want to make sure that everything is highlighted. Let's say, for example, you want it's a little bit too long. You might have more stuff in your timeline. You can also customize what you export in this menu over here, which is very handy. Okay? So always give it a name. So right now it says RG First Vid. So I'm just going to also call this Mashup. RG Mashup. And the locations to the desktop, totally fine. You can have it go into your documents, you can have it go into your folder, whatever your choice is. Okay, the settings that we want, match source adaptive high bitrate, totally fine. The format we want is H.264. So if it's not showing, what you're going to do is you toggle H.2.64. Okay. The default is fine. You can also do high quality 1080. That's fine too. Totally fine. But definitely have the format as H.264. I know that this is going to the desktop export. This will take a little bit of time. What we're going to do is to put this in our portfolio. We're going to upload this to our video production folder and make sure that the sharing settings is anyone with a link can view. And then what we're going to do is I will show you how to embed a video. So let's say we uploaded it to our Google Drive. Okay, I'm going to make a tab. The way you do it, you go to Google Drive. You go to your video production folder. Okay, so I've got lots and lots of folders. It's taking a little while to load. Okay, so I think video production, where is it? Here we go. And then what you do is you drag and drop your folder into here. Okay? Once you do that, you go to Insert, Video. We want to specify Google Drive. If you go Recent, it will show your recent uploaded video clips. Okay? But if you go into Google Drive, then and Recent, it should show what you just uploaded. You simply click it, and it will put it in. Now, if you just started to upload it, it might be a black box. That's totally fine. It needs time to process. Okay, let's say we want to export only a small piece. Let's say I only want to export my jump cuts or, one little section to make a GIF. You go in your timeline, you hit I, which is in, and O, which is out. And what it is that this is the selected area. We can export this little tiny piece of our project. Maybe there's this one little piece you want to export for, you have like the best jump cut example, and I want a GIF of that. Okay, now we go File, Export, Media. And right here, it shows that we have a custom range. Okay, so we made a custom range. If we want to double check and scrub through, we could see that yes, oh, it did not work. We want to do here, we're going to do source in and out. Okay, very good. Remember how we did the in and out? So now here, you can see this is the range that's been highlighted, and this is the part that's going to export. So I'm going to put, I'm going to call this video transitions. Or GIF, or I just do video transitions. I don't want to type GIF in there. And it's going to the desktop export. This is super fast. It's going to take less than a minute. Boom, it's done. It's such a small little clip, it's definitely done. Okay, very cool. So the next thing now that I have here, welcome to my messy desktop. Let's see, where did it go? Oh, too many menus. All right, so we'll find my portfolio. Too many windows. What do I do? All right. I have too many windows and too many tabs. I got lost. Have no fear, everything's here. Aha! Let's make a GIF. All right, make your own GIF. Super cool. This is something I just learned about. I think it's super awesome. Here's my video transitions clip. It's on my desktop. I just go upload your video. Boom. We do this and we're going to drag and drop. Bam. So now it's ready. You choose the quantity, the quality, convert to GIF. I think it's super cool. I'll do high. And right now it is uploading the media. And then once it's done, I'll do medium, maybe that make it faster. I press download. Cool. So it's downloading. It's going to go to my desktop. I'll make a slide so you can see it. GIFs will play when they're in a browser. Did it finish? It's still converting. Okay, so once it's done converting, all that you do is drag and drop on your page and it will actually play, which is pretty cool. Let's see. I think it finished. Yes, download is complete. Yes. All right. So it goes to my Finder face because it goes to downloads, I think automatically. We go to downloads. Ah, video transition GIF. Boom. Oh, the bark. Chicken. Kitty cat. Chicken. Okay, so there you go. There are the video transitions of the video clip, the slide, the center thing, and there you go. Now you can make your own customized GIFs.